Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to transfer a ticket. So this ticket I've rung up under John Smith. You can see here, if we go to the info screen, which is this button over here, right under a room owner, it shows the server, which can also be the cashier. It's just listed as server here, but it shows that the server assigned to this ticket is John Smith. So if we select this here, we'll get a full list of all the eligible employees that this can go to. So in this case, I'm just going to transfer it to Support Anthem. So now it says that tickets assigned to Support Anthem, both here in the middle and over here on the right. And you should be able to just exit out. Oops, I'm sorry, you have to send to save it. If you exit, it won't save it. So now if I go back in, now it's going to say this server is for Support Anthem, and I'm in as John Smith. So the transfer was successful, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.